Welcome to our Mock Interview Pro Series. Today, we're diving into how to prepare for an optical network engineer interview. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in the field, this guide is for you. Let's kick things off with a question about adapting to new technologies, a vital skill in today's fast-paced networking world. Could you share an experience where you had to rapidly learn a new optical networking technology? How did you tackle the learning curve? This question aims to assess your ability to adapt and grow professionally, especially under time constraints. Let's explore some tips on how to effectively respond to this question. Pick a specific technology you mastered. Explain why there was a need to learn it quickly. Mention the resources you utilized, like online courses or manuals. Describe how you put your new knowledge into practice. Reflect on the results and what you learned from the experience. Now, here's how you might answer this question.
Recently, I had to quickly get up to speed with DWDM technology for a project that was on a tight deadline. I motivated myself by enrolling in an online course and diving into relevant white papers. Applying what I learned, I configured DWDM equipment for our network, leading to a successful project completion and a deeper understanding of optical networks.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Optical Network Engineer. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Can you tell us about a challenging problem you encountered during an optical network project and how you solved it? This question evaluates your problem-solving skills and your ability to handle challenges effectively. Here are some strategies to help you tackle this question confidently. Identify a specific problem that arose during a project. Discuss the impact it had on your work and stakeholders. Explain the steps you took to analyze and comprehend the issue. Describe the solution you implemented and why it worked. Conclude with the outcome and any lessons learned. Let's look at an example of how you could frame your response.
In my last project, we faced unexpected signal degradation in a high-speed optical link, which threatened our service agreements. I conducted field tests and pinpointed a faulty connector. Replacing it restored signal integrity and improved transmission rates by 20%, highlighting the importance of thorough testing.
Describe a successful project where you worked as part of a team to implement or maintain an optical networking solution. This question is designed to assess your teamwork skills and ability to collaborate effectively. Let's dive into some tips to help you shine in your response. Select a project that had a significant impact. Focus on your specific role and contributions. Highlight the technology used and challenges faced. Discuss the outcomes and what you learned. Emphasize teamwork and collaboration throughout the process. Here's an example of how you might articulate your experience.
In a recent project, I was part of a team that upgraded the optical network for a regional data center. My role was to design the network architecture and coordinate with vendors for new WDM equipment. Despite integration challenges, through regular team meetings, we reduced downtime by 20%, improved data throughput by 30%, and I learned the value of clear communication and planning.
Suppose you're alerted to a significant drop in signal quality in one of the optical fibers in the network. How would you diagnose and resolve the issue? This question examines your technical troubleshooting skills and how you approach resolving network issues. Let's go over some key points to consider when tackling this question. Check the monitoring system for relevant alerts or logs. Use an OTDR to pinpoint the fault location. Inspect physical connections and fibers for damage. Test optical power levels with a loss test set. Consider external influences like temperature or construction work. Here's a sample response to guide you.
First, I would review network monitoring logs to determine when the signal drop occurred and if any alarms were triggered. Using an OTDR, I'd locate the fault and inspect connectors for dirt or damage. Testing optical power at critical points would help identify losses, ensuring a thorough assessment and resolution.
Your manager has asked you to propose an upgrade to the company's existing optical network. How would you evaluate current performance and justify your proposal? This question aims to evaluate your analytical and strategic planning skills in proposing network improvements. Here are some steps to consider when crafting your answer. Review existing network data to identify bottlenecks. Engage with stakeholders to gather input and understand requirements. Research new optical technologies that could enhance performance. Prepare a cost-benefit analysis, comparing current capabilities with proposed upgrades. Create a clear presentation summarizing findings and recommendations. Let's see how you could present your approach.
I would start by analyzing current network performance metrics like latency and throughput. Consulting with team members, I'd gather insights and explore new technologies such as coherent optics. A cost benefit analysis would justify the upgrade based on performance improvements and potential ROI, creating a compelling case for the proposal.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free. Just grab it below.